Home window replacement in Birmingham, Alabama delivers immediate curb appeal, better insulation, and stronger long-term value for properties across Homewood, Vestavia Hills, Mountain Brook, Hoover, Trussville, Cahaba Heights, Irondale, and downtown Birmingham. Modern replacement windows can transform outdated openings into high-performance features with cleaner lines, improved natural light, and easier operation. For homeowners seeking Birmingham, Alabama home improvement windows and replacement doors, Birmingham, the right residential window replacement plan supports comfort, efficiency, and style in every season. From suburban window installation Birmingham to house window replacement in Birmingham, the goal is the same: better performance, better looks, and better savings. Energy-efficient windows are a smart upgrade for Birmingham residential window replacement because they reduce air loss, control indoor temperatures, and help lower utility costs. Double pane window replacement, insulated window units, and energy-efficient window replacement Birmingham options are especially valuable in hot Alabama summers and cooler winter nights. With double glazing Birmingham and uPVC windows, homeowners can improve thermal performance while also reducing outside noise. Whether choosing modern replacement windows or custom residential windows, Birmingham, energy efficiency remains a major advantage for any household window upgrades. Window replacement Birmingham, Alabama projects often start with damaged glass, failing seals, and warped frames that create drafts and discomfort. Broken window replacement, drafty window installation, window seal replacement, and window frame replacement all help restore safety and performance before problems become larger. Residential glazing services can address cracked panes, moisture between glass layers, and poor insulation caused by aging materials. Home window installers Birmingham and local window contractors. Birmingham can inspect the structure, recommend the right fix, and provide replacement doors Birmingham and replacement windows near Birmingham that match the home's design and budget. Vinyl window replacement remains one of the most popular choices for residential window replacement because it combines low maintenance, affordability, and strong energy performance. Vinyl replacement windows Birmingham and vinyl window replacement options are ideal for homeowners who want durable frames without constant upkeep. uPVC windows also provide reliable insulation and long service life, making them a practical fit for many Birmingham neighborhoods. Whether the project involves house window installation, full window retrofit, or custom window fitting, vinyl systems can support both traditional and contemporary homes throughout Birmingham, Homewood, Hoover, and Vestavia Hills. Soundproof window installation is a valuable upgrade for homes near busy streets, schools, and commercial areas in downtown Birmingham and surrounding communities. Residential glazing Birmingham services can improve acoustic comfort through insulated window units, double pane window replacement, and high-quality seals that reduce outside noise. Casement window replacement, awning window replacement, and sliding window replacement can all be configured for better noise reduction when paired with proper glazing. For homeowners seeking peace, quiet, and privacy, modern replacement windows offer a noticeable improvement in day-to-day living. Custom window fitting is essential when older homes need precise measurements, unique styles, or specialty openings that standard products cannot accommodate. Custom residential windows. Birmingham and residential window replacement services in Mountain Brook, Vestavia, Cahaba Heights, and Irondale often require exact sizing for architectural consistency and energy performance. Bay window replacement, casement window replacement, and awning window replacement can enhance both appearance and function while preserving the character of the home. Replacement window contractors with experience in Birmingham residential window replacement can manage complex installations with accuracy and care. Aluminum window replacement is a strong option for homeowners who want a sleek profile, durability, and modern appeal. In many Birmingham home window replacement projects, aluminum systems work well for contemporary properties or areas where slim frames and lasting strength matter most. Window glass replacement Birmingham, Alabama services can also pair aluminum frames with insulated window units to improve thermal efficiency. Whether upgrading a single opening or completing a full window retrofit, aluminum products can deliver a clean look and dependable performance for residential glazing needs across the metro area. House window installation in Hoover, Trussville, and Homewood, Birmingham often involves more than just new frames and glass. Replacement windows Birmingham should be matched to the home's layout, ventilation needs, and exterior design for the best results. Sliding window replacement can improve ease of use, while bay window replacement can add light and visual space. Window frame installation Birmingham and window glass replacement Birmingham, Alabama are useful when the existing structure is still sound, but full replacement windows are often the better choice when multiple issues are present. Local expertise makes a significant difference in fit and finish. Window fitters in Birmingham who understand local climate demands can recommend household window upgrades that protect against heat, humidity, and seasonal wear. From window replacement in Vestavia Hills to window replacement in Hoover and window replacement in downtown Birmingham, property owners benefit from tailored solutions that match both function and style. Residential glazing services, replacement window contractors, and home window installers Birmingham can handle everything from broken window replacement to full window retrofit and replacement doors Birmingham projects. For durable, efficient, and attractive results, the right window replacement Birmingham, Alabama team ensures the home performs better every day. Energy-efficient windows and modern replacement windows are a smart upgrade for replacement doors Birmingham projects and complete household window upgrades across Birmingham, Alabama home improvement windows needs. For homeowners seeking energy-efficient window replacement Birmingham, insulated window units, double pane window replacement, double glazing Birmingham, and uPVC windows can help reduce drafts, improve comfort, and support lower utility costs. From suburban window installation Birmingham to local window contractors Birmingham, the right residential window replacement solution can transform older homes with better performance and cleaner curb appeal. Birmingham residential window replacement often starts with custom window fitting, replacement window contractors, and home window installers Birmingham who understand the needs of homes in downtown Birmingham, Homewood, Birmingham, Vestavia Hills, Mountain Brook, Hoover, Trussville, Cahaba Heights, and Irondale. Whether the job calls for house window installation, house window replacement in Birmingham, or replacement windows near Birmingham, choosing experienced window fitters in Birmingham helps ensure accurate measurements, lasting seal integrity, and dependable results for both new and older properties. Broken window replacement, drafty window installation, window frame replacement, and window glass replacement are essential services for homeowners dealing with damaged units, failed seals, or weather-related wear. Residential glazing services and window seal replacement can restore comfort while improving insulation, especially when paired with full window retrofit solutions and modern replacement windows. For properties needing Birmingham, Alabama window replacement support, window glass replacement Birmingham, Alabama, window frame installation Birmingham, and residential glazing Birmingham offer practical options for safer, stronger, and more efficient home windows. Vinyl window replacement, vinyl replacement windows Birmingham, aluminum window replacement, and custom residential windows Birmingham provide flexible choices for different budgets, styles, and performance goals. Homeowners can choose bay window replacement, casement window replacement, awning window replacement, sliding window replacement, or soundproof window installation depending on architectural style and noise control needs. From window replacement Birmingham, Alabama to home window replacement, the best option often depends on design preferences, energy efficiency targets, and the condition of the existing frame. Household window upgrades in Birmingham include Birmingham residential window replacement, local window contractors Birmingham, and energy-efficient windows designed for long-term value. If a property needs replacement windows near Birmingham or window replacement in Vestavia, window replacement in Vestavia Hills, window replacement in Mountain Brook, window replacement in Hoover, window replacement in Trussville, window replacement in Cahaba Heights, or window replacement in Irondale, professional service ensures precise installation and improved home comfort. For every home window replacement, custom window fitting, window frame replacement, and window seal replacement can deliver a cleaner finish, better everyday performance, and dependable replacement doors. Birmingham Solutions.